Welcome back to English on Air, the podcast where adults learn real-life English in a fun and simple way.
Hello, everyone. Great to have you here again.
Okay, I have a very important question. Can you start your day without coffee?
Yes, I can.
What? Really?
Yes, I don't drink coffee every day.
I don't believe you. For me, no coffee equals no life.
That sounds serious.
I wake up. I feel tired. I drink coffee. Then I feel alive.
And today, we're talking about something many adults love.
Coffee.
Yes, why do we love coffee so much?
And more importantly, how do we talk about it in English?
By the end of this episode, you will learn how to talk about your daily habits, how to express likes and dislikes, how to give reasons in English.
And maybe you will understand your coffee addiction. Let's start with a real-life situation. Morning time. You wake up. What's the first thing you do?
For many people, it's coffee.
Yes. I wake up and I drink coffee. Simple sentence, very common.
We can say, I usually drink coffee in the morning.
Let's break that down. I usually means often.
Yes, I usually drink coffee before work.
Now let's make it stronger. I love coffee.
Or, I really love coffee.
Even stronger. I can't start my day without coffee.
That's very natural,
Now we add the magic word.
because,
I drink coffee because it gives me energy.
or I drink coffee because it helps me wake up.
Let's talk about energy. Before coffee, I feel tired. After coffee, I feel awake.
Good contrast, tired versus awake.
Let's have a short conversation. I'll start. Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning because it helps me focus. What about you?
I drink coffee sometimes, but I prefer tea.
Oh, interesting. Now we introduce prefer. I prefer tea to coffee.
Or, I prefer coffee. Simple. Some people don't like coffee.
Yes, I don't drink coffee.
Or, I don't like coffee because it's too strong.
Coffee can be strong to strong taste, weak arrow-like taste.
I like strong coffee. I prefer weak coffee. Let's be honest. Some people say, I'm not addicted to coffee.
But they drink 3 cups every day.
That sounds like addiction.
Let's explain this word simply. Addiction means you really need something. Example, I need coffee every day.
I feel bad without coffee. Let's imagine Sarah. Sarah drinks coffee every morning. She says, I can't work without coffee.
So coffee helps her focus.
But maybe too much coffee is not good.
Yes, balance is important. Let's review important words. 1 coffee. A popular drink. Example, I drink coffee every morning.
2 caffeine. The substance in coffee that gives energy. Example, caffeine helps me stay awake.
3 energy. Power to do things. Example, I need energy in the morning.
4 awake. Not sleeping. Example, I feel awake after coffee.
5 tired. Feeling low energy. Example, I feel tired without coffee.
6 prefer. Like something more. Example, I prefer tea to coffee. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I drink coffee every morning.
I usually drink coffee before work.
I love coffee.
I can't start my day without coffee.
I drink coffee because it gives me energy.
I prefer tea to coffee.
I don't like coffee because it's too strong.
So now you can talk about coffee in English. You can describe your habit, give reasons, express preferences.
But we're not finished, because coffee is also part of social life.
Yes, people meet, talk, and drink coffee together.
In the next part, we'll show you how to talk in a cafe, how to order coffee, how to have natural conversations.
Stay with us. It's going to be very useful.
So now we understand why people love coffee. Energy, habit, taste.
Yes, but coffee is not only a drink, it's also a social activity.
Exactly! People meet, talk, and spend time together with coffee. Let's imagine a real-life situation. You go to a cafe. You want to order coffee.
Very useful situation. Let's practice. You can say, "Hi, can I get a coffee, please?"
Simple and polite.
Or, "I'd like a coffee, please."
That sounds more natural.
Now let's add more detail. "I'd like a black coffee." "I'd like a coffee with milk." "I'd like a small coffee."
Ah, yes. Options. What about sugar?
Good question. "I take sugar." "I don't take sugar."
I like my coffee sweet. Let's do a short conversation. I'm the customer.
And I'm the barista.
Hi, I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure, small or large?
Small, please.
Do you want milk or sugar?
Just milk, no sugar.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
That's a real-life situation. Very useful English.
Now imagine you sit with a friend. You both have coffee. What do you say?
You can start with something simple. "This coffee is really good."
Or, I like this place.
Yes, simple sentences can start a conversation.
Then you can ask, do you come here often?
Or, "What do you usually drink?"
Very natural.
And don't forget reactions. "Oh, really? That's nice. Same here."
These small phrases make conversation alive. Let's go back to habits. Coffee is part of daily routine.
Yes. I usually drink coffee in the morning. I sometimes drink coffee in the afternoon.
Or, I don't drink coffee at night. But let's ask an important question. Is too much coffee good?
Not really.
Why?
Because too much caffeine can make you nervous, unable to sleep, tired later.
So, balance is important.
At the end, it's your choice. You can say, "I like coffee," or "I don't drink coffee."
Both are correct. Both are natural. Let's practice a full answer. Question: do you drink coffee?
Yes, I usually drink coffee in the morning because it helps me feel awake and focused. What about you?
I drink coffee sometimes, but I prefer tea because it's lighter.
That's a perfect conversation. Let's review key words. One barista. Person who makes coffee. Example, "The barista is very friendly."
To order. To ask for food or drink. Example, I want to order a coffee.
3 sweet. With sugar. Example, "I like my coffee sweet."
4 bitter. Strong taste, not sweet. Example, black coffee is bitter.
5 nervous. Feeling uncomfortable or stressed. Example, "Too much coffee makes me nervous."
6 focus. To concentrate. Example, coffee helps me focus. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I'd like a coffee, please.
I take milk but no sugar.
I like my coffee strong.
I usually drink coffee in the morning.
I drink coffee because it helps me focus.
I prefer tea to coffee. Now full sentences. Repeat after us. I usually drink coffee in the morning because it gives me energy.
I don't drink coffee at night because I can't sleep.
I like this coffee because it tastes good.
Before we finish, remember this. English is not only about grammar.
It's about real life, daily habits, simple conversations.
Coffee is just one example.
You can talk about anything: food, habits, routines, daily life.
Use simple sentences. Speak every day.
And little by little, you will improve.
If you enjoyed this episode, share it with a friend who loves coffee.
Listen again, repeat again, practice daily.
We'll see you in the next episode of
English
On Air.
Stay consistent.
Keep speaking,
Bye.
everyone.